primary purpose of this video is to review the Giraffe Instrument tools. Please pull out the plastic sheet protector located in the back pocket of your manual. On the front is a short version of the 5 setup steps. Another copy of the detailed explanation of each tool is on the back. Collapsing the tool descriptions. Once you are familiar with the tools, the descriptions can be collapsed to make more room on the screen. Touch on the double arrows in the top right corner. Touch the double arrows again to display the descriptions back. I will start by talking about two main tools that are related, the Pan tool and the Select-Deselect tool. This is the Pan tool. It is new this year and used to zoom in and out and move around the segment. It also functions very well with the overview map. It is the default tool, which means that it's initially turned on. The Select-Deselect tool, as shown here, performs all of the same functions as the Pan tool. In addition, it selects any field that is touched on the photo. Touch again to deselect it. Press the Back to Application button. Fields are selected by touching a row of the table on the right side of the screen or by using this Select-Deselect tool and touching an area on the left side of the screen. The Pause tool is used to freeze the screen when talking with an operator. This allows him to point and touch on the screen without moving the photo or affecting what you're doing. Turn off the pause by selecting any other tool. We have found that using the eraser end of a pencil works just as well. Open Section D form opens the survey questions whenever a field is selected on the imagery. It allows you to move on the imagery and select a different field to open that form. Close the survey form by touching on this X. Everything related to Section D, including much more information on using this tool, will be covered in the next section. The Split Features tool is used to delineate the boundaries. Notice the 3 new buttons that appear in the bottom right corner of the screen when this tool is on. You will use these to create the boundaries. All of the remaining tools are known as flash tools because they flash on to perform a function and then revert back to the last main tool. Starting with the Cache Imagery tool, which is used as part of the 5 setup steps to capture and store the imagery. Zoom to segment. This is used to find your way back to the segment in the event that you scroll away from the segment and cannot locate it on the screen. It has a home icon, so think of it as going home if you're lost. I will press it now. Zoom to Selected. We'll zoom to the maximum size area that includes all selected fields. Fields may be selected from either the aerial photo side or a row in the table. Select All Visible. Selects all rows that are currently being displayed in the table. This works with the track filter. Select None is used to quickly clear all selections without having to touch on each field. The Select None is also very helpful to use before you begin the merge process. As I've already described, the flash tools work very well when used with the track filter. I can quickly zoom in to just Tract B to interview that farm operator. First, I set my filter to Tract B, then use the Select All Visible tool, then use the Zoom to Selected tool. Now I can focus on just his area. The remaining flash tools will be covered later. The Merge Selected along with the Undo and Redo tools.